Hi guys, Kanika here, and you're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. Although the topic says how to get fit with minimalism, but it is very important that I again share something with you that I thought will be really worthwhile because I applied that concept really well into wanting to share this video. Okay, and I will obviously apply it to my own life. Without much further ado, so just imagine that there are these are two things. Okay, this is something called a pain body. Okay, I'm pretty certain a lot of you must be aware of it, but might as well still talk about it, right? So this is a pain body. इसको अभी छोड़ देते हैं. This is presence. Leave that. Okay, presence. Okay. So now this is the pain body. Now in your heads, imagine a very dirty black slime, okay, inside your body, which is emanating a lot of negative energy. Just kind of visualize it in your heads. Okay, pain body is something that is present in everybody. Okay, so it's not a good or a bad thing, it's just there. And it's there, why? Because if we go historically, then a human is always associated with ego, and ego is something that only wants more and more of things which actually are of no value, and वो फिर बढ़ता जाता है, right? So we know all that. That's where the pain body begins to grow. Now how it manifests itself is by feeding on unhappiness. Okay, which means ये pain body है. Abhi now let's animate it a little bit. Okay, so let's say this is the pain body. It is there in your body already. Now the pain body basically is there throughout in your system from birth. Some children are born with a bigger pain body. In fact, those are the lucky children, because when they are carrying pura human race ka ego inside them, and it's manifesting as a pain body, those are the children who will actually grow up to be enlightened in their lives. Okay, but we won't know. How do we know kiska zyada hai, kiska kam hai, whatever. Coming back to the point, now we already have that black slime in us. Okay, like it's a slimy, it's all over. It's not physical, it's just I'm asking you to imagine it. Okay, now pain body is there. What is a pain body? It is all the incidents that have happened in your life which are not really pleasant. Okay, now all humans, all of us have this inherent habit or nature to carry all the past experiences with us. Okay, I for one, I know I have. Okay, and I've lived to talk about them a lot, but I think for me also the time has come to practice what I'm talking about today. Okay, so you carry it with you, and then वो stories बनाते रहते हैं of unhappiness. मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे साथ वो हुआ, past में ये हुआ, मेरे साथ ये वो. You don't really have a dialogue with yourself. You just remember the story. Okay, that had happened, and that leads to unhappiness. Okay, and then you carry it. We carry it all through our lives, and thoda victim card we play, or we play the angry card, or the aggressive card, or the hostile card, or the resentful card. Right now how I'm going to attach this to fitness. Now let's say, now forget everything else, now just come to the fitness bit. Let's say you are a person who wants to get fitter. Okay, in whatever sense, you are underweight, you want to get fitter, you're overweight, you want to get fitter, you are fit, you want to maintain, whatever it is, basically you want to improve your health. Now to begin that resistance that comes, how to let go of the resistance is by talking to the pain body. This is where that other character that I've spoken about, presence. Okay, presence is there in all of us. All you need to do is activate it. Activate the presence and talk to this guy, the pain body. Okay, so P, presence, is talking to PB, pain body. Presence is telling the pain body, boss, what's your problem in life? So this guy will say, यार मैंने तो पहले भी try किया है, and it's always disappointing. I always I give up, or I tried this, that did not work, and yeah, मुझसे नहीं होगा यार. I'm talking about fitness. Okay, I can't do it. It's disappointed me in the past, and it's depressing, and then you get into self-sabotage mode and all of that. So this pain body is talking all of that crap. Okay, now this presence person does not need to fight it. Don't fight. Okay, because fighting it feeds. It'll be very happy. It is instigating you, right? It's not you, the presence. It's instigating it. It wants to feed. That's its fuel. When you say, no, I will make sure that you disappear. No. Say, okay, सो तो तेरे अंदर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट है, ओके, पास्ट फ्रस्ट्रेशन है, एंड लैक ऑफ मोटिवेशन है, करेक्ट, ऑल ऑफ दैट इज देयर, ओके, all right, everything is there. So this guy will be like, what, you just agreed, okay, that's new. So this guy will start to reduce, because see, this guy dwells in the past. You getting it? This person dwells in the now. Okay, so ye aise, once you accept it na, this becomes bigger, becomes equal, this becomes smaller, and this disappears. When this is left in any sphere of your life, then you go ahead and take the action that you have to, which basically in layman terms, what I'm trying to say is that it is always now. You can choose whatever you want now. Don't be dictated by past mein ye tha, past mein ye tha. Let's say you were the most stubborn and angry, resentful, aggressive person. Do you know today, right now, if you decide to change, you will. So don't be a product of your past failures, your past problems, your disappointments, or wherever you couldn't succeed. It is not in any way a reflection of what you can do today, and in that you can use the presence where you acknowledge the pain body. Okay, now this of course can be applied in relationships, in motivation, in work, in parenting, in looking after things, in looking after yourself, everything. I thought I will dedicate this pain body and presence wala understanding that I've just got to fitness. Okay, because anyways I had to make a fitness video for minimalism. Now in minimalism mein kya ho raha hai isme? How is minimalism relevant? Minimalism is relevant because you're letting go of your past, period. End of story. Minimalism mein you are letting go of your past. You're deciding that today is when I'll take action, and today is what matters, and by today I mean right now. Right now, it's moments, right? So right now I'm doing this, फिर अगला मोमेंट आएगा, उस मोमेंट में भी आप कर दोगे, तो that's it ना. तो पास्ट में क्यों रह रहे हो? Okay, so that's what, acknowledge your pain body and let go of the past and see if it helps, whether in fitness or in any other arena of your life. Okay, and I'm sweating like a pig right now because I had to switch off the AC and the fan. This is fun. Welcome to almost July, peoples. Chalo, I'll see you next time. Bye.